Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Y'all, let's make the sweetest roll top bags. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for choosing to join this amazing online crafting family. And a big thank you to everyone who is supporting me in so many positive ways. You guys are a huge part of this channel's success, and I really do appreciate it. Today we're going to make the sweetest roll top bag, and these can be made for any season, any reason, anyone. And on this one, we're going to use some rope. So y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here is a closer look at today's super sweet roll top bag. And you can see from the side how we just roll it to create a closure. And then I'm adding some rope just to give it a nice decorative look. I think the rope look on this style bag is just gorgeous. So here's what we're going to need to make it. So we're going to need one piece of 12 by 12 cardstock or scrapbook paper. I am using a very lightweight paper because I want my bag to be lightweight. So I am using what is basically like the weight of copier paper, but it's a gorgeous, gorgeous print. And then I'm using this nice cotton rope. And this rope I found at the Dollar Tree, but you can use any rope, any ribbon, anything that you want to use on yours. So I am going to bring in my scoreboard, and we are going to score at 1/2 inch, at 2 1/4, at 6 1/4, and at 8. And then we'll turn it once to the opposite 12-inch side, and we are going to score at 1 3/4 and at 9. And so now I am going to fold and burnish my scores. You have your scores folded and burnished. You're going to have a very narrow flap. That is going to be your glue flap. So we need to remove the 2 corner pieces from both ends. So I'll use my finger blade, and I'm just going to remove this piece, and then I'll remove this piece. And where you have the wider portion, that's the top, this is the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and just angle along the bottom everywhere that we have a score mark. And then I'm just going to take these 2 flaps and fold them in a little bit because I don't need all of that tab. So I'm just going to reduce that a little bit. And this is what your piece is going to look like right now. We're going to rotate it to this end, go up to the score mark, and we're going to cut straight down on all of those score marks. We have it like this. We're going to go ahead and take these 2 pieces, fold them in, and then reduce these tabs. And then I'm also going to go ahead and just angle on these 2 tabs. So now your project piece looks like this. We're going to go ahead and take these 2 tabs that are here at the top, these 2 right here, and we're going to add glue. You can use tape if you want. And I'm just going to fold those in. You can remove them all together if you want. I'm just folding mine in because it gives me a nice little edge to this. So now that we have our piece like this, we are going to go ahead and place our glue on the glue flap. And then we need to do is attach it and get our bag glued. Going to use my big old spatula to go in and get that nice and stuck. I'm going to tuck in those sides, add my glue, and then we'll take this piece and we're going to fold it. And now we'll add glue to this piece. And we're going to fold it, getting our bag to take shape. I can actually take my hand, go on the inside, get that nice and stuck. See how simple and beautiful this already is. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece and bend it backwards. I'm going to take my rope, and I don't want the thickness of all of this rope, so I am just going to take a portion like this. Just going to lay down some glue end to end, and I'm going to take that rope and put it in that glue. We need to make sure that all of our glue is covered because we don't want to glue the flaps together. And we're just putting the rope here because then we're going to take this bag and just roll it down. So now I'm going to take my sides and pinch in the sides. We can pinch all the way down and create a nice little flat fold bag, but I don't want mine to be flat because I am doing a demo. So now I'm going to take this, match these two tops, and let's place it down like this, getting those two tops matched, and then we roll. How far you go down with the roll, y'all, it's completely up to you. I'm going to do my last roll, and that'll take me right to where we made that score at 9. So now I can just take this, and I am just going to tie it very loosely. You can tie it off to the side. I am going to tie mine in the middle. And you can see that I'm not tying this tight. And I am just going to go in and try to do a little square knot. And there, my lovelies, is my second beautiful roll top bag. So all I'm going to do is just trim away a little bit of this because I don't want all of it. And you're able to see on the side how we have that nice roll going. And here on the front, we have a beautiful, beautiful bag. How pretty would something like this be for a bridal shower, baby shower, wedding favor? This is a really simple but oh so cute way to make a bag. I'm going to bring that first one back in so that y'all can see just how gorgeous these are and how simple they were to make. I think I may have given an incorrect measurement on these. This is actually 7.5 by 4 by 1 3/4 of an inch. I believe I might have said 1.5 earlier, but it is 1 3/4. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed yet another fun way that we can make bags with nice, unique closures. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.